Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about the Sweet Restore Glycogen Support. Is it legit or another scam? So this is again another dietary supplement that we are talking about, and when it comes to dietary supplements, it's mostly just a scam. So let's see what is about this item. So it says it will nourish your blood vessels, embrace the power of natural ingredients, maintain smooth blood flow, and we are not totally sure about that. So let's go to this review right here. So is the physicolipidine a scam basically? And the answer here is that furthermore, the actual company offers a 365 money back guarantee. And as you can see, they don't even try to answer it directly. They try to get you with hard words that you don't understand, convincing you that it's really good. So it says that it's natural, their legitimacy, so they're using familiar words with your brain to concur that it's legit. So they use the word legitimacy, and then they say trustworthy and transparency, ingredient sourcing, quality, but they never stated that it's a scam or not a scam. So they only say that it's not a scam in the end, but a genuinely effective supplement for those seeking to manage cholesterol and enhance heart health. And why? Because this review was already given by one of the mainstream medias who actually was paid to do the review. So it's funny. So basically, this is only a dietary supplement, and yes, it can be good. They use natural ingredients and all, but you don't have to depend on this. You might want to consult a doctor still and not entirely depend on this. So we can say this is a legit product, but use it to only an extent and not to be dependent on. So here is the verdict, and there you go, guys.